Everything but the handles and that B pillar. Okay. Yeah, I was trying to f with that, but...
Do I have another torque clip there? I had one.
Yes.
Unfortunately, these are a different size. Because why wouldn't they be?
Mercedes, you know? Let's make sure we...
Yeah. We fall in spots where we can get the bolts in.
Yeah. Just silicone those once we're done.
No, after we weld it.
Well, yeah, after we put our bolt on and washer and everything. Did you get it through?
The first hole went through. Of course, because the roof is curved, it doesn't perfectly line up down here, but...
I mean, as long as it fits the size of the nut head, right?
Yeah, well, right now I'm trying to enlarge it.
Right. Is it so bad because the wire speed's so high?
No, I turned it up to make it better. Weld around the washer as best you can. We're sealing it anyways, and then weld around the head of the bolt to the washer.
It's connected on this side. That's good enough there. We welded up most of the washers and bolts.
Now we've got to run the CD equipment.
We have to run all of this cabling through the roof, which is the real reason we pulled everything down, aside from the roof racks, to get that all ready for our upcoming trip. This is where the CB has been mounted for quite some time. It is right here, like shoved right in between the seats here. We just turn this down, off. This was shoved right in here, and we could barely hear. So we're going to try and mount this somewhere else at the same time. We're going to put the glove box back in.
Have you already loaded the wire?
Wire's already gone through here.
You're going to need to shove it through behind the console, and that's going to be easier with the glove box down.
Yeah. Right.
I'm just thinking, it's not those ties, but if we ever need to pull the cable out, those ties are going to make it really difficult. That one's not bad, it'll sneak through there. I think this one I'm going to replace with a little bit wider of a tie. Actually,
Haha!
that one now.
Take the whole glove box in.
That works.
That gives so much more room to work in here. You can feed the wire back in and through the console. There we go. Lights are done. We can just tuck it right there under the fan. And now that's done. I'll pass the glove box back. You always get forget at least one thing when you're doing anything. I mean, really, we have forgotten to pick out the camera, actually show that we siliconed everything.
You have silicone in your mouth.
Yes. Probably. That's what happens with me, primarily, is goes places that it's really not supposed to. The last things we need to do is put the headliner back up and then just reconnect everything.